Okay, testing, 1, 2, 3. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to PNG Pacific Capital live streams. Welcome. Okay, this is great. Okay. So let's see what's happening on the before we do a top-down analysis. We're going to check Forex Factory if we have any high impact news coming out for this session. Today's Friday. We have core durable goods, orders, core PCE price index coming out later on tonight. London session, we are pretty much in London session now, so it's going to check if we have any London. Oh, we did have retail sales coming up for London session. I mean, for pound. So not sure how that affected gold. But anyways, we're going to do a top-down analysis now, starting on the weekly time frame. Since we are reaching the end of the week right now, extremely bearish on the weekly time frame. We are pretty much trading below this support area over here at 1969 300 in 1968 1969 actually. So trading below 1969, we have slightly, I was anticipating price to step into 1930, but we'll see. We could potentially we have 14 more hours until this weekly candle close, so who knows, we could potentially tap 1930 in the last 14 hours of the week. We'll see. Dropping onto the daily time frame, we can clearly see how yesterday's daily candle close bearish below the support area over here. Let's see, looking to the left, we also have a support level at 1940. Yesterday's candle closed slightly above it. Current daily candle pushed, did a bottom wick, slightly breaking below the previous daily candle low, which is also the previous support area over here. Now, same scenario, we had this after this bearish candle closed below 1940, 180 right over here. We had the following daily candle wick slightly below it, and then started pushing bullish. So this could potentially be the same scenario over here. Let's see, but if we do continue bullish, I am expecting price to come back above 1960. So 1960 is a pretty strong key level. So if you do continue bullish, then we could potentially anticipate price to come up to this level. Looking at the forward time frame right now, it's pretty interesting on the forward time frame. Just looking at the forward time frame, we can clearly see that we had support forming on the first 4-hour candle of this of today's Asian session. The 4-hour candle closed bullish. The following candle after that, the 11 a.m. 4-hour candle pushed bullish, and now we have the current 4-hour candle also bullish, breaking above the previous 4-hour candle. So if we do continue bullish, I'm expecting price to come to potentially 1957 100 first. And if we do break above this level, I think we have clean traffic coming up to 1962. So that could be potentially where price could come up to in the next on the 4-hour time frame, but we'll see. Otherwise, I think if we have a nice bearish candle closure over here, we could potentially anticipate price to retest the lows. Dropping out of the 1-hour time frame, we can clearly see how we had this minor resistance area in the 1-hour time frame, a little bit above 1948.50. Right here, the previous 4-hour candle closed above it. The current, the previous 1-hour candle closed above it. The current 1-hour candle did a liquidity grab towards the bottom, slightly retesting this previous resistance area over here, and now we're actually driving bullish at this point. We have 8 minutes left until this candle closes, so really trying to see how it closes. Looking at the 30-minute time frame, just looking at the 1-hour time frame right now, I think it would be best for us to wait for this 1-hour candle closure. So if we have a nice kind of closure on the 1 hour time frame, we could potentially anticipate the next 1 hour candle to rip bullish. Since we already had a nice liquidity wick towards the bottom, so we'll see how it goes. It's going to be very, very interesting. Yeah, don't want to be taking any trades right now. We are going to wait. Yeah, it's going to be pretty interesting. We're heading into London Open right now, so we'll see. See. It is very crucial that we don't rush into anything today. It's going to be very, very patient, bro. We have 4 minutes until there's 30-minute candle closes. Also, this 1 hour candle closing in the next 4 minutes. The 1 hour time frame, we have a nice strong bullish candle closure over here, so we'll see. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have this 30-minute candle closing in the next 1 minute. Strong, nice, strong, bullish 1 hour candle over here. 4 candles bullish. Daily candles bullish. 4 candles bullish. 1 hour candles bullish. 30-minute candles bullish. I mean, could potentially have something here. Yeah, so we'll see if we get something in this trade. See if we get something. See if we can get some confirmations on the 5-minute time frame. Take this trade. See if we base this trade on the 1 hour time frame, our stop loss is gonna be pips. We're gonna be targeting around 100 pips on this one. So we'll see. Let's see. Potentially have a trade in the next 10 seconds. Just have to see how this candle forms. Yeah, you know what? I got in on the candle open, so in on this one, guys. Half risk though. Risk. Stops are gonna be below the previous 1 hour candle low. Gonna be above here. Man, I actually want to get a better entry. We're going to get a better entry right here. So we are in full risk on this one. At half risk over here, at a full risk down over here. So pretty much full risk on this one. So our entry is at 1950.91. So pretty much anticipating 1950 to hold. This trade was taken on the 1 hour time frame, managing it on the 30-minute time frame. $19.50.91 is our entry. So we had a little bit of a dynamic entry on this one. Executed on the candle open, his price retraced a little bit. Executed my full position at this point. So price action wise, I think this trade is basically looking good to drive bullish, considering the fact that we did grab some liquidity once we broke below the previous 1 hour candle low over here. So just based on how strong this bullish 1 hour candle is, I think we have a little bit of momentum left for us to drive bullish. So that's what I'm capitalizing on. What do you think about celery play? I think that's a DVS concept. I'm not too sure about his terminologies on those ones. What's your risk in percentage per trade? On this one, I'm risking 2%. 2% on this one. I'm pretty much up for the week, so I'm pretty much risking some of my profits for the week. Plays out, we're gonna be even further up for the week. This is gonna be our last trade of the week, ladies and gentlemen. This is gonna be our last trade of the week. So we're only gonna be managing risk if we have a 30-minute candle closure below this support over here at 1957. Yeah, that's why we're gonna be managing risk. Right now, I think we're just doing a bottom work for us to potentially drop bullish. So going to be very, very patient on this one. Your style is more like scalping than intraday. Yeah, you could say that. You could say that. Could say that. Scalping or intraday doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter. As long as I don't hold a trade for more than 3 hours or sit behind the charts for more than 3 hours, experience some type of burnout. So could this be a fake out? Yeah, this could be a fake out. The only the only confirmation that we have that this would be a fake out is if we have a candle closure back in the into the range. So either the 1 hour time frame or the 30-minute time frame, we'll just have to wait to see how this candle closes. We have this 30-minute candle closing in the next 20 minutes. It's been bearish for the past 10 minutes, so we'll see if we can turn it around. See if we can turn it around, bro. We shall see. Is trading haram? What's your thought on trading Forex? I don't know. I think it depends on your beliefs. I think gambling is trading is a form of gambling if you're not doing it the right way. So always be careful when taking a trade. And if you really want to get serious about this business, making it your full-time career, then you have to be very, very, very careful. You smoke while trading or just after? I don't smoke at all, bro. I don't smoke at all. I'm planning on doing a podcast. Nope. What's your risk already to that? What does FXM funding mean? No idea. Who's your mentor in trading? Kimson. Where can I buy a course? I don't have any course right now, but maybe in the near future we'll work on something. We'll see. We shall see. Man, what is up with this coffee? I think just looking at the Wyman commented options trading. No, I'm not trading options, bro. Trading gold right now. Gold. Just looking at the 1 hour time frame, I think better sells would be below 1946. Oops. 946 right here. This thing is also holding on the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, definitely 1946. 1946 would be a better sell on based on the 1 hour time frame. 30-minute time frame, we'll see. We'll see how this price develops. Why not sell stops on the break of the candle high? No sell stops on the break of the candle high because well, decided to take the candle on the retracement and also had a tiny position on the candle open because of the fact that I'm anticipating probability to be on my side. So the probability of price moving bullish has to be on my side because of the size of the previous 1 hour candle body. Extremely strong bullish candle. The previous 1 hour candle also had a liquidity wick tapping below the 9050 area, tapping below the previous 1 hour candle before that. So with that in mind, I decided to have a small entry on the candle open, and as price retraced a little bit towards the 30-minute support at 9050.50, decided to put my full risk down on that one. Full risk for the session actually. So full risk means full lot size. We have stops below the previous 1 hour candle. If our stops get activated, if our stops get tapped and this trade is invalid, there wouldn't be any more need to take any more trades for the week. So down for the week. Would you consider resistance from the 30-minute candle closure barriers on gold? Yes, I would. I would consider that. And then if we close back below 9050.50, I'd consider that I would consider that to be a fake out. So basically the reasons why we took buys was right here. So we have a nice strong bullish candle closure. We have clean traffic to the left. We also have a liquidity wick. Previous candle had a liquidity wick breaking below the previous 1 hour candle low. So at this point, and we also have a nice strong bullish 30-minute candle closure outside of this 30-minute resistance over here. So at this point, there's a high probability that price may move bullish. So just being very, very patient. This coffee from Waterfront is making me sleepy. What's your routine on weekends when markets are closed? Wow. Sleep. Spend time with my kids. Spend time with Mrs. Go to church. Workout. Yeah. So yeah, when the markets are closed, we're just pretty much chilling, waiting for the markets to open. You think there will be a recession soon, or the market will go down? Well, not on gold. Gold isn't going down. There's too many uncertainties in the world right now. All these trade wars going on. So let's see. Let's take a look at the monthly time frame right now. So we have slightly broken below the previous monthly candle, but we'll go to come down below towards the 1960 area. Not too sure, to be honest. Really not sure at this point. It's gonna be a little bit tricky. Little bit tricky. Are you a good trader? I hope so. What is the option on binary option? I don't know what binary option is. I mean, let's see. What is binary option? I think that's a platform. Yeah, nah. Looking for GJ buys. What do you say? I have no idea. I don't know what's going on for G right now. Only focus on gold at this point. Do you have a VIP group? Yes, I do have a VIP group, but I really don't put it out there. If you find it, okay. Anyways, let's see. This 30-minute candle has 10 more minutes left, and it's slowly starting to curl back up. Let's see. Going to be interesting. It's going to be very, 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 very interesting. There we go. We're going to look to secure profits at around 92.54. So if price comes up to 952.54, that's where we're going to look to take some profits off the table. This coffee is weak as shit. So we're running in a little bit of profits right now. Once we tap 10 pips, then we're going to secure. So I'm going to zoom this in for a little bit. Our time frame is right here. We just need the previous 30-minute candle high to break, and we're gonna be good to drive. Be good to drive. Amazing. 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 Pretty much a break even, around the break even mark in my first entry. Now it's only starting to push bullish. Let's see. Yeah. Let's go. Three minutes until this 30-minute candle closes. Closing bullish. And now hopefully we can drive bullish on the next 30-minute candle. Hopefully. There we go. Once we secure profits at around 1950 to 54, we're going to move stops to break even. And then we're going to see how far our partials can run. It's going to be very interesting. We have this 101 count starting to flip bullish right now, so maybe now we could have a nice little rip towards 1955 maybe. That would be nice. That would be something I'd like to see. Let's see. There we go. Slowly. If we break above the previous 30-minute candle high, then we're going to secure profits and move stops to break even. Running pretty nicely right now. Got 2 lots popped on this one. If price comes back to our entry, I'm gonna cut half a full trade out. Since we're pretty much running at like 14 pips right now. So these were like 15, maybe 15, 16 pips securing we're securing profits at that point. So we're gonna secure $100 of profits and then we're gonna let the rest run. There we go, just secured $100 of profits. Now we have our partials running at this point. Moving on stops to break even, guys. So pretty much at break even right now. Amazing session, guys. So we've secured 10 pips of profits. Not 10 pips, like 16 pips maybe. 16, 15, 16 pips. So price ran for like 16 pips and we secure profits 16 pips. So now we have our remaining position running. So we'll see how this runner runs. If we get stopped out at break even, we get stopped out at break even. Good. It's screwy. There we go. Yeah, so we've slightly broken above the previous 101 candle high. Also slightly broken above the previous 30-minute candle high. And we also have this 30-minute candle close bullish right now. Oh no, it's closing. Just let it close bullish. This 30-minute candle's closed bullish. Now hopefully we can have the next 30-minute candle rip towards the high at this point. Let's go. It's gonna be interesting. See, there we go. We secured $100 already. Now we have we have hopes right now that we're gonna continue pressing bullish. Actually, let's put this in let's put this here. See Daisy. Amazing session, guys. After you draw down the reduced risk percentage, you'll continue with a full 1% risk on your next planned trade. Do you mean after a drawdown? Okay, whenever I take a loss, like a loss, an ordinary loss, I just accept the fact that the probability is not there on my side. So what I usually do is I just continue on with my same risk, same lot sizes, same risk, everything. Just continue on. But in an instance where I made a mistake and my losses were huge, which is rare, what I do is I reduce my lot size on the next trade. And then once again back my confidence, I come back to my original lot size. So I think we can stick to the 30-minute time frame on this one. So we'll see if price reaches 20 pips. If price reaches $200 in profits, then if price reaches $200 in profits, then we're gonna move our stops to 10 pips in profit. So at this point, stop loss is moved to 10 pips in profit. Yeah, price tapped the $200 mark right here, so stop loss have been moved to 10 pips. So 10 pips in profit is 1951.90. So what that means by moving my stop loss to 10 pips in profits is price is pretty much running at $200 right now. If price retreats a little bit, comes back down to $100, that's where we're gonna take $100 off the table at that point. We're pretty much trading at one lot right now, so you know, it is what it is. So 10 pips in profits would be at Let's see, this is a stop, this is our new stop loss, so we're gonna do this. We're gonna do a dashed line right here. So 10 pips in profits is right here. So if price retraces and comes back to this red line over here, we're gonna take $100 off the table. So what we're doing right now is pretty much trailing on stops at this point. So stops at 10 pips, and we're gonna see if we can really milk some money out of this market. There we go, pushing back bullish. I'll probably see if we can get like 40 pips. I'll probably see if we can get 40 pips. 40 pips would be amazing. Amazing. There we go. Really keen on seeing how this 30-minute candle closes. Hopefully we can rip towards 955. Yeah, if we can reach 955, I think that's where I'm gonna be taking securing major. I think I'm gonna, yeah, we'll see. We'll see how this 30-minute candle closes. We do have clean traffic to the left over here. I think we have potential to correct some of these moves over here, so maybe we can have some reactions of 955. So we'll see how price reacts off this level over here. Dash line right here. So stop loss in profits. Stop loss in profits. Yeah. Like 22 minutes left until this 1-on-1 candle closes. No. Who knows? Maybe at the back end of the hour we can have a nice push towards the high. That would be great. Yeah, we'll stop seeing profits, so whatever happens, happens. When does GU move? London or NY? GU, GPUSD? I think both. Both. Because you have pound moving during London session, and then you have the USD moving during NY session, so it's both. You find a winning mindset, you should have the winning mindset. Always focus on your losses. Always look to reduce your losses. Always look to manage risk. Always secure profits. Practice good discipline, 1 or 2 trades a day. Get a mentor. And don't have trading. Try to have more than one source of income apart from trading. Guys, we are pushing pretty nicely right now. Pushing pretty nicely right now, guys. Pushing pretty nicely right. Another day, another dollar. Guys, we're pretty much pushing 30 pips right now. We'll see. see. We'll see how this 1 hour 30-minute candle closes. Another day, another dollar. Amazing, guys. Oh, guys. Amazing, guys. So we took this trade live on the stream. Nice strong 30-minute candle closure outside of the range. Executed on the next 30-minute candle as it retraced. Price pushed up. Price is pretty much at our anticipated target right now at 90.55. So we have, I think we're gonna take everything out right here. So securing everything at this point. Ending the day with a little over $500 at this point. Amazing session, guys. Amazing. Took this live, guys. Pretty much live on the stream. Do this every day. Shit. There we go, guys. Pretty much took everything out at 90.55 because we really don't know how price is gonna react off this previous support area over here. So, cheese, guys. Cheese. Do this shit every day. Fuck. Now time for some shopping. Anyways, thank you to those ones who hopped in on the stream. Everybody on Zoom, Discord, YouTube. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. Pretty much ending the week off a little bit strong, and very, very happy with this. Very, very, very happy with this. And yeah, I'll catch you guys. I'll catch you guys on Monday. Amazing session, guys. Amazing session. It's been an amazing week. I think we're gonna finish strong for the month of May. We'll see how next week turns out. What's happening next week? Let's see if we have any high impact news coming on next week. Nothing. I think next week we're gonna have a nice. Oh shit. We have NFP next week, Friday. I don't think we're gonna be trading on Monday. We have all these bank holidays on Monday. What the hell is going on Monday? Memorial Day. Yeah, yeah, nah. Cheers, guys.